If you want to change object opacity in LibreOffice Impress, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to make a shape, icon, or object more transparent so your presentation looks cleaner and more professional. This is a really useful trick for layering elements, highlighting text, or creating subtle design effects in your slides. And if this video helps, please hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, look at the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation open, you can use that instead. After your presentation loads, find the object or shape you want to adjust. This could be a rectangle, circle, image, icon, or any other element on your slide. Click to select it so you know it's active. Then right-click on the selected object and choose Area from the menu. This is where LibreOffice lets you control the fill settings and appearance of the object. When the area window opens, look for the transparency setting. You'll see a value you can adjust to make the object more or less opaque. If you increase the transparency, the object becomes lighter and more see-through. If you lower it, the object becomes more solid. Take a moment to choose the level that looks best for your slide. For example, if you want a subtle background shape, you might use a higher transparency value. If you want the object to still stand out but not feel too heavy, a medium setting often works well. Once you're happy with the transparency level, click OK to apply the change. Your object opacity will update immediately based on the setting you selected, and that's it. You've now changed object opacity in LibreOffice Impress in just a few simple steps. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a big difference in the overall look of your presentation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.